Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for Living Local, your lifestyle show for all things Charleston and beyond. I'm Ashley Meservey. Today we're back visiting our friends at South Bay at Mount Pleasant, but this time around we're moving in. Let's go take a peek at a place that promises to give you that luxury resort feel, but it lives just like home. Joining us today, Jennifer Smith. We're back at South Bay at Mount Pleasant. Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely. I love your enthusiasm about being here.
Listen, last time I was here, I was gonna move in, and I'm not saying that that's not gonna happen, but we'll talk about that later. This place, I mean, it's just transformed in a matter of months. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's
When did it open?
We opened October 1st, and residents started moving in that day. And I mean, all of the residents that have come in have walked in and just said, this is astonishing, this is amazing.
It's like college, like you're ready to move in, the excitement's there, I bet.
Except for a luxury dorm room.
Oh, exactly. Let's keep that, yes, luxurious for sure. How many apartments do you have here?
143 independent living apartments, and 99 of those are 2-bedroom and 44 are 1-bedroom.
And independent living, like stress that too, because this gives them ability to pretty much stay for a long period of time. They can be very active to needing more care,
if they
right?
need to progress, if their health progresses, we, opening in January, will have the healthcare center, Shem Creek Healthcare Center, and we have assisted living, we have memory care, skilled nursing, and rehab over there. So right here on campus, you don't have to walk outside to get to it. You know, you can walk right over there, and you can do outpatient. If you have PT or OT orders, you'll be able to go to the gym over there.
And speaking of, you don't have to leave here. I mean, that is bottom line, because you've got all kinds of places to eat. Talk about that. What's on the menu?
So I was talking to Andy, our dining director, earlier today, and I got such a great description. We have 3 dining venues, and our fine dining venue is going to be a lot of farm to table items. So using local produce.
Buying local. We have amazing produce.
And keeping it, you know, here in the Low Country, just a lot of interesting dishes, and then throw in some chef specials, little eclectic cuisine here and there. And then we've got the pub, and the pub is open in the evenings, and that menu is more of tapas, heavy appetizers. Go in and share some bruschetta or oysters, Rockefeller with, you know, somebody if you don't want the long dinner.
It's like a
event.
Luxurious happy hour.
Yes, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
I love it.
It's very popular. And then we've got the marketplace, Sweetgrass Market, and that's open from 11:30 to 2, and that's your most casual. That's your burgers, your sandwiches, your salads, soups, and brick oven pizza. So we do a couple of pizzas every day, a specialty pizza, and then some other kind of plain if you're ready for like just margarita pizza or something.
And of course, you know, you have the ability to travel. I mean, everything's around here. I mean, we're right in the heart of Mount Pleasant.
We're right in the middle of everything.
It's a great location, but if you don't want to and you just want to hang out, you don't have to leave, right?
You can get, you know, you can have your meals here. We're sitting in the wellness center, and we're very focused on.
It feels like a spa, y'all.
It does. It does. We have a spa actually right down the hall.
I love it.
And Andy, we have everybody that works here is Andy. But not really. We have our.
We have a lot of
director.
mics. Yes. Okay.
Well, Andy, the wellness director, has he has classes going on, water aerobics classes in the pool behind us, the saltwater pool. There's also a jetted spa on the pool deck. We've got a wellness studio where he has land classes involved in a lot of balance type things, yoga, tai chi, things like that. And then the fitness room where he'll do an assessment with every resident that moves in. And work on a workout program from them, make recommendations, show them how to use the equipment, things like that.
So really, the moment they walk through the door, you're assessing them, finding out where they are, and whether or not to keep them where they are or to get better, really.
Yes, exactly.
And okay, so talk about some of the other things though that, like, why would someone want to come here as opposed to just staying at home, or just staying at home, or,
right? Well, I mean, several reasons. I'll try to be concise.
I mean, again, I want to come here, so I don't know why they wouldn't, but.
Well, you have such access to 2 main things. One is better, healthcare right here in the building. You don't have to get in your car on a rainy day and drive to the doctor or to the
Find
hospital.
parking and
Exactly, you're right here. And we've partnered with MUSC, and their gerontology fellows will be rotating and doing in our healthcare. So we're going to be a teaching healthcare center like MUSC is a teaching hospital. So that's one thing. You've got a lot of healthcare, a lot of people watching out for you, and a lot of people just taking the things off your plate that you don't want your roof, you don't want to, replace your HVAC, all that's done. You lock your door, you go do exactly what you want to do. You go to Charleston Airport, you travel. You come back.
go down, go to the pub, meet your friends.
Exactly.
Are you already finding that you have some regulars though, like going to the pub?
Oh yes, of course. Yes, we do. And there are a lot. There's a fun bunch that have moved in here.
All right,
We've
I
got
need to
some
meet
really
them though. Okay, but before we go, do you have any? How can people find out more information? Tours and things
Absolutely,
like that?
we're doing tours every day, and they can call. Our marketing line is 843-936-2730.
Okay.
And they can stop by and get information. But we are doing tours a lot, so it would serve them better to call ahead and make an appointment for sure.
And it's booking up fast, I bet,
It
right?
is booking up fast. Yes.
All right. Well, Jennifer, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
And for even more information, you can head online to southbay@mountpleasant.com.